Welcome to our tutorial about retrieving records. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to retrieve a single record and place it in our label LBL result. First, let's run our application. The page loads. We have a list box populated with our usernames. When I select a name, the complete record of this user is pulled out and displayed down below. Let's see how this works. First, we need to set the Auto Post Back property of the list box to true. Let's go to our code page. The process here is similar to what we saw in our previous tutorial, apart from the fact that the SQL statement is dynamically created based on the selected item in the drop-down list box. And we use the value property of the selected item, which, as we already know, holds the user ID. We're only reading one record from our database. We're also using the string builder class. The string reader is part of the system.text namespace. It's designed to handle intensive string processing overhead by managing the internal buffer of memory. Okay, now we place the value of the string builder into the text property of LBL result. Let's close the data reader now and the connection. Those are our final steps. Don't forget these steps. Now that we've seen how it works, let's test our application again. When I select a name, the record displays here. And when I select a different user, the display below is updated. This concludes our tutorial about retrieving individual records.